What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there. And before you watch this video, become part of SGM family by subscribing, like, share, comment, and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified first. And no, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang, gang. Before you watch this video, don't forget to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You're already watching me on YouTube and Snapchat. Like I said, I've been did this band or whatever you want to call it. I didn't get a chance to add the Snapchat. But like I said, it's all there, all the same name. But like I said, my old Facebook like page, it got deleted, suspended, whatever. So it's not SgmCashoutKing, it's SgmCashoutKing, as you can see right there. SgmCashoutKing. Like I said, this is about a big opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested, like I said, definitely, you know what I'm saying, and hit me up on this like page, my regular Facebook page, like I said, which is my government name right there, which I'm gonna show you right now. Like I said, add me on both. That's gonna be, if you see this picture, you see my name, Jonathan Perez, my government name, blase, blase. That's me. Add me on both. Inbox me, and you can inbox me and you can DM me on Instagram. We go from there. Like I said, if you're 18 or over, let me get it out the way. You're 18 and over. You know what I'm saying? In the U.S., like I said, and when they do it out the countries, I'll keep you posted to people that's interested. And like I said, if you got a job, you don't have to have a job. Like I said, it's a small investment of $35. I'm gonna let them know up front. So the people, all the naysayers and stuff like that, people that's I gotta invest, that's the people I don't want to deal with. Like I said, it's a small investment. You know what I'm saying? You go mow the lawn, stop, drinking, smoking, whatever you do, you know what I'm saying, for that one day, and invest in something that's going to bring you actual, some money, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, this video is about my new company I'm dealing with called econ. I'm still in MCA, I'm just not promoting them. They made a business move, so I had to make a business move also. For that was better for me. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all know that into the marketing. But like I said, I want to get into the how you can fix your credit. See, right now I'm in my back office. This is one of the things you're going to see called Smart Credit System. This is going to explain and show you how to fix your credit on your own. A lot of these credit systems cost $400, you know what I'm saying, 100 and some change, you know what I'm saying, every month, or you know what I'm saying, and you have to pay for all that. But with my econ, I'm just paying my membership, which is $35. You know what I'm saying? Plus, I'm using it for other things also. It's not just building my credit, but this is the main thing right there. You know what I'm saying? Is building your credit. As you can see right here, the credit plan to get you to 750, the monitoring, and the income shifting. Income shifting has really nothing to do with fixing your credit, but the income shifting is still powerful for all you people that have a 9 to 5. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all filled out your W-4 form when y'all first got the job. Y'all filled it out wrong. Let's just say, for example, you're getting paid $400 a week after taxes, and they're taking about $300 a week on your taxes. You know what I'm saying? With income shifting, it shows you how to go, you get the form again and you redo it. So let's just say out of that 300 taxes that they taking from you, they giving you 70 back. So you was getting paid 400, now you're getting paid 470. You probably looking at it like, that's it, 70? It all depends on what you get paid. I'm just giving you an example. You can't look at it like that. Remember, you're getting $70 extra on your check every week, which is $280 a month. Let's just say you was about, you know what I'm saying, you barely could get over the hump just because you wasn't getting paid enough, because you're working so hard and you're getting paid a certain wage that you thought you was going to be making the money, but they're just taxing you everything. You know what I'm saying? Now you're making $280 extra that you wasn't making before, and $70, which is $70 extra. Some people story is different, because I've seen people that probably got paid maybe in the 30s, and they was getting taxed almost $700, something crazy, and they'll get like $400, $500 back. You know what I'm saying? 300. They say like $200 a week extra. They was getting paid $600. Now they're getting paid $800 because of the income shifting, because they didn't know how to sign their W-4 form properly, and so that's how powerful this is. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I was just showing you something extra. These are the other stuff on here, because like I said, I know it's about building your credit, but with your credit, you can't get nothing. Especially, like I said, I'm a dude that been doing the entrepreneur thing for a while. I've been doing it for a while, and I done went with wads of cash to get cars and stuff like that. I got accepted, but I had to put down a large amount of money and then pay 20 times what the car was worth, you know what I'm saying, a month, and that's not including insurance. I actually wanted to get a vehicle called a Dodge Hellcat, because I love Dodges, by the way, and I think that the payment on that was like $900 a month, and then the insurance was another $500. That's because my credit was bad. As a matter of fact, I even wanted the new iPhone, and I got to put down $400, and I got the money. I got to put down $400 up front just to get that phone. It's because my credit is bad. It's not even about how much. They don't care how much money I have. They looked at my credit. They were like, oh, he don't be paying his bills on time, or he lets stuff get to collections. So that's what they base things on. Now they even basing things. You getting a job besides a background check. You getting a job, they checking your credit. That's how crazy things is getting. So that's how powerful this is. Like I said, you go to other systems that people are selling, or you go to a agency, they're gonna be charging $400 or $500. Now you got other people that you don't even know checking your credit with your Social Security. But right here with my econ, you'll have control of that. Like I said, for $35 a month, you'll have control of it. You know what I'm saying? Or you could just, if you don't want to be in the company, like I said, my link will be in the description below. You can just pay it one time of $100. You know what I'm saying? And you have the system to build your credit on your own. Nobody's in your info. You'll know everything. There's some things you have in collection that you shouldn't even pay. You get what I'm saying? You shouldn't even pay. You know what I mean? They have templates back there where you're gonna send to the company. When you send the templates to the company, you're basically fighting that thing you have in collection where they could delete it off your credit, and then your credit score probably go up maybe in a month or two. I don't know. It all depends on the time. But like I said, if you try to fight something you have in collections in public online, you're giving up your rights. So if you try to fight it in court, you already gave it your rights by trying to fight it. But this definitely shows you a way where you know what I'm saying, you send the templates directly to the company, tell them why they should take it off, you know what I'm saying, your credit, and then like I said, it goes from there. You know what I mean? But there's also a bonus. Matter of fact, before I get to the bonus, you know what I'm saying, let me show you this also. Even though this has nothing to do with, you know, with your credit, but this is the cash back mall. Like I said, this is just a couple things you see right here that you get cash back on. You know what I'm saying? But right here, as you can see, you click on what you're looking for, and you look for the cash back. And like I said, there's people in the company that went back to school shopping for their kids and got back $300, $400, $500. You know what I'm saying? Some people got 4 or 5 kids and got to shop a lot, and I got that much money back. That's how powerful this is. This is this extra stuff. This is not even a bonus I'm about to talk to you about. Like I said, while we on here, the bonus is if you pay the $35, they get a company. Like I said, you want to fix your credit, which is, like I said, is one of the main things you want to do in the income shifting. If you have 9 to 5, and everything else, like I said, is a bonus. There's more stuff on here, but I'll explain that some other time. The bonus is you can get a weekly check on top of your pay of your 9 to 5 on here, just by helping other people restore their credit. You know what I'm saying? And bringing them into the company. Like I said, there's people making thousands of dollars every week, and even after 5 months, you'll get a monthly residual every month. You got, remember, residual bills. Your bills is every month. Your rent is every month. You know what I'm saying? All your bills is every month. So why not have residual pay? It makes plenty of sense. Plus your extra weekly. You know what I'm saying? While you're building your credit, if you're getting an extra income on top of building your credit, you can't lose. You know what I'm saying? It's a winning situation. You gotta remember, it's good to have more than one income, because if you get fired from that job, that's all you have. So you're gonna have to start digging into your savings, and your savings get low, then what you gonna do? You know what I'm saying? Get on public assistance. That's something you're trying to avoid. But like I said, you can get paid every week by my econ if you decide, you know what I'm saying, to spread the opportunity, help people fix their credit, you know what I'm saying, help them with the income shifting, and also, you know, if you just want to bring people in just to make money, you can do that too, from home, part-time or full-time. You know what I mean? But if you're interested, definitely hit me up on my social media. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up on Facebook. Like I said, my government Facebook is Jonathan Perez, and also my Facebook like page is SgmCashoutKing. Go, like I said, once again, you can see it right here. This is add me on any of the ones. It doesn't really matter. And also add me on Instagram, which is SgmCashoutKing. Everything will be in the link in the description below. I need serious people. Training will be provided. Like, you don't have to be a marketer, but this company is totally different from the MCA company I was in. You don't have to know nothing about marketing. There's 5 ways you can get paid. I will explain all that once, you know what I'm saying, once you contact me on everything. Like I said, only thing you need is the proper training, which I'll provide, and to build a solid team under you, which I'm gonna help you build. Me helping you build a team under you and giving you success and helping you get paid. Basically, me helping you get a check gets me a check. So it's a win-win for both of us. And definitely we have a secret Facebook group. We have a secret Facebook group that I'm gonna add you in. So there's gonna be plenty of people that's doing it, plenty of marketers, plenty of first timers and leaders in there. So if you have a question or anything besides, but you can't get in contact with me, there's plenty of people in there. But I'm gonna always be there for you, being the fact that you're under me. And like I said, me making you a check gets me a check, so it makes plenty of sense, and it's a win for both of us. But like I said, if you're serious, definitely hit me up. Like I said, everything will be in the link in the description below. And it's the SgmCashoutKing signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out.